Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error 2503 called RunScript when not marked in progress when uninstalling a program here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for File Explorer. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the best match, go with open to continue, and wait until you are being redirected to your Windows Explorer. You can also press Windows key and E key together. Again, press Windows key and letter E keys together, and that would lead you to your Windows Explorer. Once you're here, proceed with your C drive, double tap on it, and here you need to go with your Windows file folder. Double tap once again, and afterwards you need to scroll down and look for a file folder named temp. Okay, so once you have find it here next to task in my case, please do a right click and go with properties. You can also press alt and enter key together, and that would lead you to temp properties the moment you have selected it. Okay, so here you need to go with security, place at the third section, and go with advanced. Okay, so here in the owner, you need to change the owner into everyone. How you can do so? Go with changed. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, go with advanced, click on it, and go with find now. Here at the search results, expand it so that you can see the names clearly. Scroll down and look for everyone. Once you have selected it, click on OK and click on OK to proceed. Okay, so next to honor, you would be able to see a box there. Check on it to replace honor on subcontainers and objects. Once done, click on apply, click on OK to confirm, and OK once again. Okay, once you have selected it, your everyone would be placed here. Click on OK and close this window. So check if your problem has been fixed. So press Windows and R key together to open the small window called Run. Here, please type for appwiz.cpl and click on OK and wait until you will be redirected to your window called Programs and Features. Now here, try to uninstall again the application that you want to remove with in your Windows. I'm sure it will be uninstalled this time. Okay? So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.